Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of customizing your karate. In part 1, we worked on the chodanuke. In part 2, I presented the same middle block to a panel of instructors, a JKD instructor, Aki Jiu Jitsu, and a bunch of Goju guys. Let's see what they say. Coming up. Hey guys, my name is Chris Hansen from Karate Unity. My videos focus on how to understand your karate better through cross-training in other arts and combat sports. I believe in training with others to build community, to learn, and most importantly, to share and help each other. If you're new here, please subscribe and check the description box below for more information. So let's punch in to the video. Terenchi here, just to share some of his thoughts. Yeah, go ahead.
So that's like Sensei here saying, coming in off of this shot. I want to come in off this shot to the back. Yeah, then it's going to hang. So I'm going to come in off of this here shot, around here, kick in the back of the knee, reach up to that neck, sit around, and it's going to hang. If he's just doing a single here, I'm going to come in, back of the head, so strike to the brachial plexus nerves here, grab the chin, whip. Throw that punch, 1, 2, around. This is a strike to the neck. Here, chin pick, rip. Right here. I can use it to crash. 2, I can come in here, nice little foot sweep. Come in, there. But I like going off the punch a lot. Right? Always want to be on the outside if I can. Always better, right? Even here, it's coming underneath. Choke. So coming here like this. Block, right? I'll see from Mark was saying earlier in the video. Here, I like to come in here. Here's your face grab. Nice. Arm. Right? Here, block. I'm making a C with my hand, grabbing in the cheeks, nice and squeeze. Come in. If I want to go right down the middle, I can break this open too, right? Right? Other things. Come right in. Here. Break, bridge. Never let go of anything you got.
Okay, so you've seen a lot of these options. Now I'm going to give Renchi just a little bit of resistance, and you're going to see how things change and flow. Because a lot of the times, you know, when we demonstrate things, it's in context. But the way I'm recommending you guys to practice it is take all these ideas and just flow. So I don't know what he's going to do, and don't hurt me. But I'm just going to maybe, you know, put something in the way, make it a little tough for you. And with this experience, you're going to see how you're going to flow from one idea to the next. Okay, see how this is going to go down. So it's pretty much all those concepts that were there. It's a bit of a fight though, but that's how you got to train it. We'll do another round. Nice. And there you have it. Neck's almost broken. Thanks guys. Yeah, we're doing again the option of blocking, either double blocking or single middle block, and I have with me
Tom C. I'm from Picton. I train under Jason and Christy Bilodeau.
What art is that?
Goju Karate.
Goju Karate, and you're based out of Picton, Ontario?
Correct.
Right on. How long have you been training?
I've been training about 10 years now.
Excellent. And so what are the various styles you've played with?
Goju has been my primary focus, but also Brazilian Jiu Jitsu.
Very nice.
A little bit of Muay Thai here and there, but primarily Goju Brazilian Jiu Jitsu.
Good. So there you have it, a little bit of cross training. We're going to see his perspective on the various things that we've been showing earlier. So, yes, set it up.
My very, very basic understanding of Chudan Uke, I use it in a very aggressive manner. The application that comes to my mind first is from a common large swinging haymaker punch I find on the street. That's the kind of stuff that you run into a lot. There aren't many people that come in and attack right down the middle. Right. So when you have this great big haymaker, I'm really putting my body into it and turning into it. I want to deaden this arm. It does come with a risk as I'm staying on the inside line. I have to worry about the dangers in here. But as I throw that block, I can attack the face simultaneously. But what I want to do afterwards is pass off so I'm on the outside and I'm free to attack anything from that angle.
You can see it's the same motion. Want to try that again?
Yes, please. Lots of kime, lots of focus going in here. I really want to damage this arm. I don't want to go so high up that the punch still comes around the hinge and hits me. I want to go just above the elbow and throw an attack to keep myself safe. I'm coming underneath, passing it off. Lots of pressure up near the shoulder so he can't turn back around, and I'm free to attack. Move behind him. And that's it. That's all I have.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so if he attacks...
So, first of all, what's your name?
Oh, Jitan Kundalia.
Where are you from?
I teach in the UK, London.
Excellent. And you're here on vacation for a bit?
Just visiting.
Visiting.
Yes.
Excellent. And we have here...
Brad Saunders.
Tell me about yourself.
Training 25 years, usually the Yuki.
All right. Excellent.
Feed up on.
I'll send some links in the video below so you can get in touch with these guys. All right, so set up your clip. What would you like to show?
Okay, so we were looking at the concepts of Chudan Uke earlier, right? But there's a movement in Shisochen, one of the Goju kata, that's quite similar, where if you punch Chudan Uke here, but Shisochen is the same but open here. Okay? The great thing about open hands is from here, I've got this. Okay, if he punches again, okay, I'll do that again. So 2 punches. One, if he comes in immediately again, I've already got this here. Positioning.
So if you send the straight punch in, I want to block. So what we do is send you'll send, so attack the attacker. So as it comes in, I want to block, pushing down. A lot of people want to get back from it. I want to actually move into it. So they come in, boom, block, back fist, boom, another back fist. 1, 2, here. So I'm right up on top. Shuffle's very important, so I want to get into it. I don't want to reach. Come in, boom, here. The karate, temple, nose, whatever way he wants to go. I like using it personally when if I'm fighting or sparring somebody who's taller than me, and I know that their reference point to hit me is here. And so what I do is I'll duck under, and sometimes I'll be able to get this overhand here, and then maybe shoot or finish my combination. And sometimes some guys are tall, but they got really long arms. So even if I try to go in, I'm not necessarily reaching that. So then I start to naturally attack. But I don't do it off the straight V because my depth perception changes when it's straight in. But if I'm staying out on that distance, because naturally I'm on the outer rim because I have the long limbs, I'm trying to attack my way in. I'll kind of wait for or bait if I can to get that rear end hook. So now I hit it there. And when he's throwing that hook, yeah, see, and it's just a matter of placing it. So when he comes there, boom. Now naturally, when they get guns hard, the arm wants to come in. It's anything that gets hurt, you know, a turtle when it gets scared goes in the shell, you kind of gets in the shell. So here, because this is going to want to come back, and I know that, this hand is now, I'm going to cut the angle just like in Filipino martial arts. I'm going to cut that angle here. And I come here, boom, when that retracts, I'm gonna trap. See? Now when I hit, I can get back into that same reference point we showed before. We can get back into work. But the idea is I'm using the angle, cutting it, trapping it. And even if he blocks, again, you're in a point of an anchor now, depending on what your game is. You just have a reference point now, and you can build off your syllabus.
Hey guys, so there you have it. We just saw 5 different instructors take on the middle block, giving us about 15 different options for the same move. I was ecstatic having that get together. Let's just recap on some of the things that we saw. So first up was Scott Taylor. He, interpreted the middle block as crashing in, taking back, manipulating limbs, breaking balance, controlling the head, takedowns, and all of that. So that was his lens. Opened up my eyes to that. The Goju options, they were punch defenses, entering with kime, open hand strike options to arm bars. The JKD flavors presented itself with limb destructions, trapping and striking off that same motion. So they were doing a lot of these things called guntings. Anyway, this video truly, to me, represents karate unity in that, we shouldn't be training in isolation. Everybody truly appreciated each other's work. There was, everything was done through, through compassion and just through true care for each other and wanting to know, how each other's things work. To me, this is the only way you can optimize your training. I think all organizations can benefit from this type of exercise. So anyway, the closing message for me is go out there, own your karate, and own your own martial art. You need to customize it to your own needs and the needs of your own students. You owe it to yourself to find a network of like-minded individuals. So there you have it, guys. That's all I got to say. Keep learning, creating, and liberating. All the best. Peace.